So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a designer's fountain, distinctive lighting for a house number light. And this is 31310-BK. Exterior black finish, low voltage address light. Dimension is 10.25 inch wide by 5.25 tall. Require 2 at the 1.5 bulbs. Reach 3 watts maximum. Bulbs are included. Detailed instruction enclosed. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. The product is made in China. So here are the two bulbs. Oh my god, I thought they were like a plastic number instead of a sticker. So there are 3 sets of each number from 0 to 9. Because I was going to buy the bigger one and it costs like $50, but unfortunately I'm missing one of the number 1. And here's the hardware that comes with it. Two plastic anchor. 2 Phillips long screws, 1 tiny screw, yeah, it's missing 1. It's supposed to have 2 tiny screws. And they come with a wire. Oh, never mind, the screws somehow came out from the wire. And now here's the instruction. So this will be the top. Also water is going to get in here. So yeah, let's go out there and check out our number. So this is the light. is broken on the side. You need to go to your circuit breaker, find out which one. Mine is this one. Now the light's off. So yeah, make sure you disable or cut off the electricity or you're gonna get shocked. But it's only 16 volts, but you don't want to get short circuit anyway. Then I'm gonna use my ladder to fill the screw, but you need to remove the cover first. Fill the screw. See, this number is glue on. So you need to remove this one and then that one. And then you need to wire those legs together. So yeah, this is what it look like after I remove the number sign. I'll need to repaint some of the area. And this is the wiring. I'll brush it out all those spider web and then repaint. I got so lucky I got leftover paint for my house. So I use this toothbrush and then brush some of the paint around the border because the size is a little bit smaller for the new one. And this is what it look like. Got the frame in. Since this is AC voltage, it doesn't matter which wire go with where. I'm gonna use a minus flathead to pry it out so I can insert those wire. Yank it, so I put a wire in there like that. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna power on and test it out. I'm gonna turn on the circuit breaker. The light should be on. This side, I had to use a 1/4" socket with the bits in order to tie this side. But I cannot put the ratchet. And this side, I just use a screwdriver. That's it. There you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye always. Peace.